a song called Poliahuia, and it was written by Kumuhula Frank Hewitt. And it's really a beautiful song, and it's really nice when I have my guitar guys with me. But I'm going to try it on the piano, which I've never done. So this will be interesting. Oh, I anu anu ka iu ke o mauna ke au he ana I po aloha e hopu me hana e hoi e hoi mai e pili ka ua e hoi mai e hoi mai e hoi mai Pai maka o Poliahu I ka eha a ke aloha Kau maha I ka lele O ai mohi kupua Anu anu ka iu ke e ho'opu me hana hele kolo